Good afternoon. My name's Mark. I'm here to disconnect your air conditioning unit. It seems it just needs an upgrade. Okay, while I'm here, I will be interrupting supply. Are there any essential services that I need to know about?
No.
No? Okay, excellent. So I'm assuming this is a switchboard, which is in the other room. Would you be able to come in and actually turn everything on for me, because it's actually isolated at the moment?
My apologies.
Okay, so, yeah. Okay, all right. That's perfect. Okay, so hot water service. While I've still got my gloves off, I'll have a look at this JSA. I'll have a bit of a quick read through this. Okay, yeah, fairly standard, which is cool. The work safe does appear to be safe, so that's excellent. It will remain safe. I don't need to be wearing safety glasses. I'm not actually doing anything that requires my name. I'll sign it, put today's date. Okay, so everybody's happy with that. I'll actually fill out a danger tag while I'm here. Required on the danger tag normally, my name, contact details, the date of disconnection and a signature. That's perfect. All right. Now, as I said, I'll just take some information down. Okay, so it's rated at 230 volts. It's a single phase air conditioner. It has a full load current of 11.5 amps. 5 amps. Okay, that's pretty much all I need to know at the moment. There is an isolator in the area, and I'll just come back to the switchboard now, and I'll just make a drawing of what I've actually got in the switchboard. I've got a 3-phase main switch. I've got a 3-phase circuit breaker, and I have 5 single-phase circuit breakers. Okay, all right. That's probably all I need to know at the moment. Next thing I'll do is actually I'll check my gloves. I'll make sure that the gloves are in good order. That's why I've put them on. The gloves just make it a little bit safer. They are a requirement now. So I'll just check my rubber glove first. Okay, they're good. They sound a bit like me. Okay, so the rating's good, 1000 volt rating, AS225. Okay, cool, that glove's fine. Check the other one. Yeah, it's always good to have nice, clean gloves. Okay, that's cool. Alright, now just check my leathers just to make sure that there's no stitching that's been damaged. Okay. Alright, there. Is that one? Perfect. This one. Good catch, excellent. Okay, so now the gloves are in good condition. They're good. They've only been used about 2 million times. Okay. Alright, so we're ready to go. Alright, so the first thing I will do actually, I'll just make sure that the socket outlet is okay, that I'll be using to do my testing from. Alright. Okay, so alright, okay, so we've got power to the socket outlet, cross active, neutral, active earth, and we have no potential across neutral and earth. Excellent, alright. I'll just put that there to the side to the minute. Now I just want to make sure that this earth that I'm going to be using is in good condition. I'll check my battery on my meter. Okay, batteries are excellent. I'll 3 ohm scale on the meter. I'll just touch my 2 leads together and check my 0. Oh, that's excellent. Okay, so the meter's working fine. So all I need to do now is just check from the earth pin on my socket outlet to my earth electrode. Okay, 0.05 of an ohm. Check my meter. Excellent. Okay. Now, I'll just write that down. Okay, my earth. 0.05. Okay. Probably don't need to write that down. I know it's okay, but that's good. All right. So what I'll do now is make sure it's actually safe to touch this appliance. Check. Okay, my meter's fine. I'll just check this on a couple of spots. Okay, so there. Okay. All right, that's perfect. No issues with that. Okay, my meter's working fine. All right. So, while I'm here now, that I know it's actually dead, I'll put my meter back on 3 ohms, give it a quick check. Okay. 0 is good. I'll just check now from my known earth to the frame of the appliance. Okay. Alright. Okay, that's reading 0.2 of an ohm. Okay. Bit higher than I thought, but check my meter. Okay, perfect. That'll do. Turn it off, and I'll write that result down. In the frame, 0.2 of an ohm. Okay. Excellent. Alright. Okay, so now what I'll do, everything's okay. I will put my danger tags on. Alright. And this one I'll actually put on the hose. Alright, excellent. Okay, now that that's done, I shall check to make sure that I've actually got a supply at the air conditioner itself. Pretty. Okay. Check my meter. Okay, meter's fine. Okay, so I will check to my neutral. Okay, neutral is 0. My earth is 0. And my active, I do have 24 volts. Okay. No, that's perfect. Alright, check my meter. Excellent. Not a problem. Alright, so close this back up. And make it secure. Get in there. Excellent. Alright. Now, as I said previously, I am going to interrupt supply, so I'm actually going to start turning off some circuit breakers. Alright, we'll try that one. And we'll lock it out, just to be safe. Okay, excellent.
With the danger tag?
Right?
With the danger tag?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing now.
Okay.
Yeah.
My apologies.
Getting a bit pushy, but yeah. Okay, alright, so that's locked out, that's pretty good. I put the key in my pocket. Don't want to leave it on the bench just in case somebody wanders through. We'll come back over now to my air conditioner and see how we go. Okay. Right. Check my meter. Okay, meter's working fine. Alright, I'll check across. Okay, wow. First circuit breaker, that's cool. I'll check my earth, I'll check my neutral also. Okay, we know got no potential across anything up there. Check my meter. Okay, meter is good. So now I'll check across to, okay, from neutral to active we have 0. From active to earth we have 0. And from earth to neutral we also have 0. Perfect. Okay, check my meter. Okay, meter's fine. Alright. Now that that's done, I can actually disconnect this.
Have you drawn the circuit already?
Sorry?
Have you already drawn the configuration?
Yeah, there is a drawing in here, but I suppose because I'm changing it, I'll also write it down. Yeah. Okay, so we've got active, and we have earth, and we have neutral. Okay. Alright. Marvellous. So that's that. No, I'll take this off. Alright. Now, leave the earth to last. And then move everything else in its path. There we go. Get these cables all off here. Okay, just secure all them in there. Right, so that can be closed up. That can be closed up. And this also can be closed up. Okay. That's nice and secure. Excellent, okay. So I'll come back to the switchboard here now and I'll actually make a note. Okay, so it's actually not that one, it's not that one. It's actually number 1 and it's a C16. Okay, so that's all good. Alright, now I don't need any more information than what I've got there. Okay, I'll put that in my toolbox with everything else so that it doesn't get lost between visits. Pack up all my gear. Okay, clean it all up. Alright, your air conditioner has been disconnected. It's actually safe. This is out of the way so that it's not going to create a tripping hazard or get damaged. So I will be back today. If I'm not back today, I'll issue you with a certificate of electrical safety. Okay. Alright, g'day. I'm actually back with my air conditioner. My name's Mark. I've been here previously. Now, when I was here last, there wasn't any essential services I need to worry about. Is that still the case?
It is, yes.
Okay, excellent. Okay. Alright, so I'll just put my air conditioner in place so that we can actually reconnect it. I'll just check all my tags, make sure everything is exactly how it should be. Okay, now that's all good. Alright, so now that I'm back, I really don't need to do anything with this because I have checked it previously and it's what we need to do. Alright, I do need to do a couple of tests. So I'll get set up to do these tests and we'll come across. Okay, that's good. I don't need to test the frame on this because I've only just brought the unit in. So I'll check my battery. Battery's excellent. I'll put it on 3 ohm scale and check my 0. Okay, 0 is excellent. Alright, so I'll just do a test from my earth connection to my appliance frame and just try that now. Okay, well that's less than 0.05 of an ohm, so that's excellent. as long as it's less than 0.1, I'm really happy with that, so perfect. Okay, so I'll just check the meter. Alright, I'll turn it off and I'll actually put that on the 500 volt scale. I'll just check the meter to make sure it is operational. Now I'm going to do an insulation resistance test, which is between the live terminals and the frame of the appliance on 500 volts, so as to stress the installation to prove that it's okay to be reconnected to supply. Okay, so I'll check my active. Okay, it's greater than 200 megohm, that's perfect. I will check my neutral connection. Okay, it's also greater than 200 megohm. Yeah, the unit's in really good condition, that's perfect. Alright, check my meter. Okay, that's all I really need to do at the moment. I'll just move that out of the way. Alright, so, okay, I'm actually going to reinstate.
Would you check the specifications of the new unit first?
Sorry?
Will you check the specifications first of the new unit before you start?
Yeah, I did that when I was actually checking the
Oh, you
unit,
did?
but I
Sorry.
didn't. I'll grab this and I'll actually just check it with
Okay.
this, just to make sure it is the same. Okay, yeah. Alright. Okay, no, it's perfect. Check with the same size, same voltage rating, same current rating. Perfect. Alright, now I'll come back to here and I'll open up this junction box. Alright. Okay, we have cables. So what I need to do, obviously I need to prove that the cables are not live. Okay, so our meter's working perfectly. I'll check across. Okay, I'll check to my neutral. There's zero potential. I check to my earth, there's zero. I check to my active. Okay, that's zero. I'll test my meter. Okay, meter's working perfectly. I'll now check across combination of active to neutral, which is zero, active to earth, which is zero, and neutral to earth, which is zero. Okay, that's cool. Just check my meter. Okay, meter's working fine. Alright. Now, alright, we'll actually replace the cabling into the new unit. There we go. Alright, now, remembering that earth is always first, I'll actually go by my drawing just to make sure. Right, yeah, exactly how I expected it to be. Okay, so my earth is connected and we've got neutral up at the top. Okay, and we have active on the bottom. Okay, so that's all connected now. I'll actually put this back on because I will be reconnecting this. Okay, now I just got one more test. I just proved that the earth is actually continuous to the frame. Back to my 3 ohm scale, and I will, okay, zero my meter. Okay, that's perfect. From my known earth, I will check to the frame of the appliance. Okay, now that's excellent. It's reading 0.1 of an ohm. I'll just give it another check. Yeah, that's perfect. 0.1 of an ohm. Really happy with that. Test my meter. Excellent. All right. Now, the unit has been reconnected. Can you let some people know in the area that I will be returning supply back to the unit? Just tidy up as we go. Excellent. All right. So, key in my pocket. I will remove that can go directly back in my toolbox. And remove the lock dog. Okay, back in the toolbox. Okay, now power is going back onto the unit now. Yeah, that's good. So now all I need to do now really is to prove that we do have a supply there. It's not going to work until obviously that occurs. Remove this one here. Okay. I will check my meter. Okay, meter's perfect. And I will actually check. Okay, so I've got potential gain back on my active conductor. I've got zero potential on my earth, and I have zero potential on my neutral conductor. Excellent. I'll just check my meter. Okay, meter's working perfectly. And I'll just check across everything again. Okay, so from active to neutral. Okay, I've got potential across active and neutral. I have potential across active and earth. And zero potential across neutral and earth. Excellent. Now, just give the meter one more check just to make sure. Okay, meter's perfect. Alright. Okay, I'll put everything back up, make it ready. Make sure that the cover is secure. Alright, meter's done. I'll pack everything up, put it back in there, that's for you. And I will remove my danger tags. Okay, pick that up. Remove the danger tag from there. And that's your air conditioner. It's been reconnected. Everything's been cleaned up. I've tidied up the area. People can actually use it now. They can come back into the area. And at the end of the day, you'll receive a certificate of electrical safety. In this particular case, it'll be a non-prescribed certificate. And yeah, thank you.